a master's degree in international tax. I am also a tech lecturer and also a researcher tech core around policy. Let's take a look at this picture. These three pictures. Have you ever been to the local market? Or to the local shop just to buy a drink? And now you think, how much plastic bag have you used per day? Have you bought per day, unrealizably? But when it comes to population in Phnom Penh, to entirely our country nationwide, according to UNDP, over 10 million plastic bags has been used daily. And you can see from this picture, tons of plastic bags as a waste. And it takes years, right? It takes years. But in order to take hold around this issue, we have three proposed tax policies. First of all, it's about the tax on single-use plastic bags or containers, refund program. Last but not least, about tax incentive. Why these three tax policy is important? So, at the end of the presentation, you will understand why these three policy is vital in order to take hold the issue of plastic consumption. Why this three policy going to change our behavior, particularly about the plastic consumption. Now, let me demonstrate you about the first proposed tax policy. I want you to take a look at this demand and supply curve. If you've never been studying about the economics, maybe this is new for you, but I make it simple. Normally, when the tax increase, the price of the plastic bag increase as well. When the price increase, our behavior tend to change, meaning we tend not to buy, meaning the demand of the plastic bag will decrease as well. So we will look for the alternative option, for example, tote bags, maybe bamboo straw, or maybe other alternative option which is a way better. From this tax, I believe we would change our behavior. Just thinking if about you, yourself, or maybe your spouse, they tend not to buy plastic bag anymore. So this is really, really crucial to change our behavior in terms of plastic consumption. The other alternative program is about the refund. So basically, the refund program is like when you buy, for example, a bottle of Coca-Cola, the plastic bottle, you will pay like 10 cents extra, or maybe 500 real or 1,000 real. But at the end of the day, you will deposit it and collect the money back. The reason of this program is importantly to return those recyclable plastic items. Why this is important? Just think that when you go at home, you go back home, for example, like you buy the coffee or a bottle of Coca-Cola, but because it valueless, costs nothing, and then you just throw it away in the rubbish bin at home. I think from the program, I believe you tend to save it. Even your children, because they want to save some money, and they will not dispose it right away. So we will save it, and we will get our money back, right? After we collect a lot of tax from this, we can allocate the budget for tax incentive. So for those business, school, they can cooperate with the government in order to promote our recyclable, like tote bag, like the cup, or the metal straw or bamboo straw. These are really important. So from these three programs, I believe it will promote our sustainable development. And as you may be aware that this is one of the goals to promote our climate change, particularly, and to achieve the sustainable development goal. So, I just want you to think and take away the last quote about single-use plastic tax is a step toward carbon neutrality. It's not a burden of everyone, all of you, to pay tax, but to promote sustainable development. Thank you.